Hello, my name is Neda Musavi, and my group's Capstone project is a research study of body dysmorphia and social media. To kickstart our project, we all contributed to creating the survey questionnaire we sent out to students at the University of Arizona. As the responses began trickling in, Jocelyn and Meaghan worked to organize the results in a database and clean the data. Nathan, Hayli, and I ran descriptive statistics to ensure we had a balance of participants among different demographics, like with gender or class standing. We wanted to make sure our results weren't very one-sided and that we'd be able to make proper comparisons and have an accurate representation of the population. We wanted to explore and investigate the effect that image-based social networking sites can have on an individual's level of body dysmorphic disorder. We felt that this is very important to research as social media is constantly expanding, and we wanted to see how people are comparing themselves to what is posted online and what other factors could contribute to the development of BDD. Our questionnaire consisted of a series of 20 questions. The first 9 were from an online quiz on the BDD Foundation site that is used as an initial screening if someone may have BDD. The next 7 questions were to understand the participants' social media habits, and the rest were to track the demographics of our participants. Some of our biggest challenges when it came to creating and sharing our survey was the possibility of triggering any individuals. In an effort to avoid this, we briefly explained the topic of our research in both the emails we sent out and in the consent form we included at the front of the questionnaire. Other challenges we faced were during the analyses portion. We did not initially realize how much of our data we would have to edit to be able to run the analysis tests we wanted, since most of them were categorical data and they needed to be numerical. After extensive research and consulting our mentor, we were able to make the necessary edits to our code to resolve this issue. We created an RShiny dashboard with 4 statistical models. The main page of the dashboard displays a few graphs showing a high-level exploratory analysis of our data using variables of interest that we consider testing for relationships. Our multiple linear regression analysis showed a potential trend of an increase in BDD score when using social media 10 to 20 hours a day. However, the confidence is not strong enough to say that the daily time spent on social media has an effect on BDD. The first model of our logistic regression analysis shows that there is a correlation between 18 to 20-year-olds and BDD scores. The second model shows that the probability of age affecting BDD is low. The cluster analysis broke participants up into 2 groups, and those in the first group have higher BDD scores than the second group. These cluster 1 individuals experienced appearance-related harassment online, frequently compared themselves to famous people on social media, and spent over 3 hours a day on social media on average. Our first model for KNN analysis concludes that the specific social media platform used does not necessarily have a significant impact on BDD score. The second model, using the BDD score determining questions as the features, showed us that the KNN analysis method predicted fairly accurately based on those questions, but not when it came to those specific details regarding social media habits. Overall, our analysis showed us that we did not see a change in BDD score when it came to factors such as social media choice and age due to the sample size. However, that cluster analysis did show us that individuals who experienced the appearance-related harassment compared themselves to celebrities and spent an average of over 3 hours a day on social media had the strongest effect on BDD scores. Thank you.